Hello my dear friends, I am Miss Rasika Patel. Welcome you all in Deepam Gyan Kranti, the treasure of knowledge powered by Deepam English Institute. Friends, today we will discuss on a very nice poem that is Success is Counted Sweetest, that is written by Emily Dickinson. This is the part of FIBCom VNSU University and the book is Visionary Glimp. Friends, it's not only the part of VNSU but it's a very important, or you can say an interesting poem. Okay, before we start the summary of this poem, let us discuss about some of the important information of the poetress Emily Dickinson. So she was born on December 10, 1830. You have to remember the born date, that is December 10, 1830. Now, if we are talking about the famous works of Emily Dickinson, so some of the works are like Because I Could Not Stop for That, I Am Nobody, Who Are You, The Complete Poem, etc. So these are the famous work of Emily Dickinson. Again I repeat, Because I Could Not Stop for That, I Am Nobody, Who Are You, The Complete Poems, etc. And the dying date of Emily Dickinson, she was died on May 15, 1886. So you have to remember the born as well as the died. Okay, she was died on May 15, 1886 and born on December 10, 1830. So this is the basic information about our poetress Emily Dickinson. Now basically this poem, Success is Counted Sweetest, is written in 1859 and it was published in 1864. Don't get confusion into it. Written in 1859 and published in 1864. Now, as far as the title of the poem is concerned, Success is Counted Sweetest means we can get the idea that the main theme is success. Before I start the summary of this poem, let me tell you one thing, that everyone wants to go in heaven but no one wants to die. Again I repeat, everyone wants to go in heaven but no one wants to die. Yes friends, this is similarly matched with success. Everyone wants to get success but no one wants to do the hard work. सबको सक्सेस तो चाहिए बट हार्ड वर्क करना, दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. सेम विद दिस कि एवरीवन वांट्स टू गो इन हेवन बट नो वन वांट्स टू डाई. सबको हेवन में जाना है, स्वर्ग में जाना है, बट मरने के लिए कोई रेडी नहीं है. सेम थिंग वी कैन अप्लाई इन सक्सेस ऑल्सो. एवरीवन वांट्स टू गेट द सक्सेस इन डिफरेंट फील्ड्स, इन डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज, बट to get the success we should have to work hard. We must work hard. We have to work hard to achieve the success. And if we worked very hard and then we achieve the success, then the result of the success is very sweet. Means तब हमें success बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है. So the same thing is here also happen in this poem. Success is counted sweetest. So the title itself suggests that how somebody can truly feel the success. I am telling to you that everyone wants a success, but we have to feel the truly success. How we can feel the true success and what is the reason behind it? Hard work. If we are doing hard work, and one more thing, if we get the failure also, okay, failure भी हमें मिलेगी, then after if we are doing the hard work and then whatever you achieve, rather it is a small success, then also it is very true and you can say sweetest success for you. Now as far as the theme is concerned, so what is the theme? So success is valued most by those who have failed. Friends, it's a very important thing. Who can feel the true success? So the success is value and failed. किसके द्वारा सक्सेस की वैल्यू की जाती है? So the person, those who have failed, जिसने फेलियर का टेस्ट किया हो, those who have failed in their fields, they only can valued most सक्सेस. वो ही लोग सक्सेस की जो ट्रू वैल्यू है वो समझ सकते हैं. As far as this poem is written, so it is written in a iambic tetrameter. Now friends, it's a one kind of meter जिसको हम हिंदी और गुजराती में छंद बोलते हैं. That is in English it is meter. So it is written in a iambic tetrameter. You are the students of compulsory, so no need to go deeply in the meters and all that. But I will make a video for it, so it's helpful to you and the concept is very much clear for you. So what is the thing? Success is valued most by those who have failed. जिन्होंने failure चखी है, those who get the failure in their life, they can value the success. उन लोगों को value समझ में आती है. Otherwise what happen if we are getting success every time? So we cannot. Then when we get the success, then there is a no value of success. As usual, it became as usual for us. Now total 3 stanzas are there in this poem. Success is counterfeited. So in a very first stanza, the poetess said that to achieve the success, people need to understand how it feels to not succeed. मतलब when you are failed, sometimes when you are failed, you don't get the success. At that time, how you feel, how you understand in order to achieve the failure. Means in order to achieve success, people need to understand how it feels not succeed. If you are getting the achievements or success, but on the another side, it is also important to know. Suppose if you not get the success, means success and failure both are the parts, or you can say sides of a coin. Every coin has 2 sides. Same way in life you will have success also and even sometimes failure, and that's why it is saying, rightly saying, that life is a mixture of success and failure. So everyone has to remember that thing, and we have to understand if we are not getting the success, then how can we achieve? So that is the most important thing. In the second stanza, the poetess has described the picture of a soldier. Which kind of soldier? Who has won a war, जिसने वॉर में जीत हासिल की है, but still he does not understand what success is. One soldier, or if we are talking about the soldiers who have won the war, मतलब who have won the battle, but still they do not understand what is the proper or what is the clear meaning, true meaning of success is. Why, that we later on discuss. And in the third stanza, the poetess has used a dying warrior. Okay, in the war, those who belongs to the losing side, but he can heard the willing soldiers celebrating, and rather he was dying and he belongs to the losing side, but when the winning side do the celebration, at that time he can hear the winning soldier celebration. So at that time, that dying soldier come to know what success is. जिन्होंने वॉर जीता है उन लोगों के लिए सक्सेस इतनी मायने नहीं रखती है जितनी की इफेक्ट होती है एक डाइंग वॉरियर के ऊपर. एट दैट टाइम ही कम टू नो व्हाट इज सक्सेस. मीन्स आई वांट टू से लाइक दैट कि इफ यू आर गेटिंग द फेलियर, at that time when you observe the success people, at that time we come to know that what is the real value of success. Success तो सबको मिलती है, but what is the real value of success, that we have to remember. Now if we are talking about the core meaning of the poem, that is the overview of the poem, that 3 stanzas are there. But if we are talking about the core meaning, so we can come with certain kind of conclusion that when people truly desire something and cannot retrieve it, the desire for it becomes greater. Try and try, ultimate you reach to the goal. Yes friends, when we want to get something, but after a lots of try, we are not retrieve that thing, हमें वो चीज नहीं मिलती है, then our desire for it becomes greater. और तब हमें desire होती है, our hunger to get the success, that is the most important thing. So our desire increase when we are doing the effort, but we are not getting success. At that time our desire increases, and then you get the success, and that is the true meaning of success. One more thing we can come to conclude with, failure is a motivation to succeed. Okay, if you are getting the failure, at that time you feel, आपको हार्ट से फील होगा कि why should I not get the success, and it became the key towards the success. Okay, failure is a key to success. It is also saying like that. Success can be counted by those who have experienced it numerous times and who can understand the real value of success, who get so many times failure in his life. Those who are getting too much numerous time failure, then that persons can truly experience the success. One more thing, what we learn from our failure, success can never teach us. हमने कोई मिस्टेक की है तो we are remembering that mistakes lifelong. But if you are getting the success, then 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, then after as it is normal. But whatever we learn from our failures, जो हम हमारी फेलियर में से लर्न करते हैं, सक्सेस कैन नेवर टीच अस. वो चीज हमें सक्सेस नहीं सिखा सकती. ओके, एक बार आप लोग गिरे, दूसरी बार गिरे, तो यू कम विद द कंक्लूजन दैट इफ आई एम गोइंग दिस वे देन डेफिनेटली आई विल बी इन अ ट्रबल, आई विल गेट द फेलियर. सो failure teaches so many things, while on the another side success cannot teach everything. So failure भी जरूरी है लाइफ में. Success also tastes sweeter to the person who has preserved very hard for it. And rather you are not getting failure, but so many times you try to get the success to fulfill your any work, any deed. Then after a long time, if you are getting the success, so you can test the success, and the test of the success is sweeter. So then to be a person who has found success effortlessly, if you are getting the success effortlessly, अगर आपको by chance luck से अगर success मिल जाती है, so it's become normal for you. But the person who tries very hard to get the success, he can only test the real test of the success. But on the another side, if you are getting effortlessly, so that is not the value. Sometimes वो ही होता है friends, अगर जो desire नहीं करता है, okay, he cannot capable or she cannot capable to get the success, पर मिल जाती है. And what we are doing, we are flying in air. We started talking that I am capable, but time का खेल है, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे. So you have to remember that. Now as far as this poem is concerned, some of the words that used as a symbolism. So which are the words? First word is nectar. Now what is nectar? Nectar आपको पता है, very sweet kind of water that found in the flowers. So if any person is there and he is very thirsty, okay, he has a parched throat, मतलब उसका जो गला है पूरा सूख जाता है. So a drop of water tastes as sweet as nectar. For that person, only a single drop of water plays an important role, and a single drop of water is also taste as sweet as nectar. मतलब हमें वैल्यू कब समझ में आएगी? If you have water, but if you are not thirsty, then the value of water is 0. But if you are very thirsty, your throat is parched, and if you are getting a single drop of water, friends, at that time the value of the water is you can say it became precious for you. So the same thing here also happened. Those who are getting failure every time after doing hard work, the value of that person, the value of success for that person is like a nectar. उन लोगों के लिए nectar हो जाएगी that value. One more word is used as a purple word. So purple word indicate the royalty. Okay, by born if you are getting everything, then you don't have the value of that thing. It is, I write here for you, being born to a royal family, one could never realize how difficult it was to achieve that position as it naturally come to them. If you are belonging to the king family and suppose you are prince or princess, then you never understand how your parent or how यू कैन गेट दैट थिंग. ओके, अगर आप किंग फैमिली को बिलोंग करते हो तो आपको पता नहीं होगा कि एक सक्सेसफुल किंग बनने में, किंगडम को एस्टेब्लिश करने में कितनी मुश्किल होती है. बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग दैट थिंग बाय नेचुरल. ओके, बाय बॉर्न यू आर गेटिंग दैट थिंग. मीन्स इफ यू आर गेटिंग द सक्सेस एफर्टलेसली, अगर आप एफर्टलेसली सक्सेस आपको मिल जाती है, देन यू कैन नॉट गेट द प्रॉपर मीनिंग ऑफ दैट. And Shakespeare said in his 12th Night that some are born great, some achieve greatness and someone have greatness trust upon them. Means some are those who are, sometimes what happen, by born you are getting so many things. Sometimes we have to work very hard to achieve the greatness, and someone has to do lots of work to be a great person in his life. So this is the moral, or you can say this is the theme of this poem. Success is counted sweetest. If you want to test the success, real test of the success, then you have to work hard, and after lots of efforts, if you are getting the success, means at that time the success, the taste of the success is as sweet as nectar for you. अगर हमें ऐसे ही मिल जाती है तो we can never value for anything. जो चीज हमें इजीली मिल जाती है वो चीज के लिए हमें वैल्यू ही नहीं होती है. बट टू गेट समथिंग, इफ वी हैव टू वर्क वेरी हार्ड, okay, at that time we realize the exact value of that thing. So that is that in this poem, Success is Counted Sweetest by Emily Dickinson. And I must say that this is very much applied and true with our life, whatever we are living right now. We want to achieve so many things. We want to get the top marks in the exams, or you want to clear the competitive exams, and everything, everywhere we want success. But for that you have to work hard. If you had not worked hard, or you are not doing work hard, then you will not get the success. So I told to you earlier that everyone wants to go in heaven, but no one wants to die. And friends, if you want to get the success, then you have to work hard. You must work hard to get the success, and at that time you can test what is the real taste of the success. I hope the summary of this poem is very much clear to you, but if still you have any doubt, you write in comment box. I will definitely try to solve your problems and queries. Friends, if you like this video and you think that this video is helpful to you, then please like it, share it with your friends, and one important thing, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day and take care.